Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irvin's French Class. Aujourd'hui, today, dans cette vidéo, in this video, nous allons apprendre les jours de la semaine. We are going to learn the days of the week. So at the end of this 10-minute tutorial, you will have learned all the days of the week and learned how to use them within context to talk about your schedule. As usual, at the end of the video, we will do some fun activities to revise and practice. So, c'est parti! To ask and tell about the day of the week, you can say c'est quel jour aujourd'hui? Let's repeat that one. C'est quel jour aujourd'hui? And that's for what day is it today? Or you can also use on est quel jour aujourd'hui? What day are we today? Let's repeat that question. On est quel jour aujourd'hui? And always start your answer with c'est lundi, c'est mardi, for example. And here are the days of the week in French. Écoutez et répétez. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Excellent, très bien. Alright guys, to facilitate your memorization, remember that just like in English, French days are based on the solar system. So what do you think lundi is referring to? Lundi, what planet is that? Or actually what satellite? Lune, that's correct. Lundi, Lune. Mardi, Mars, that's right. Mercredi, easy, Mercure. Jeudi, Jupiter. Vendredi, Venus, that's right. Samedi, yeah, a little bit of imagination for this one. Saturn, that's right. Dimanche, what planet is that? Well, that's an exception, okay? But there is an explanation. Dimanche comes from the Latin language, Dies Dominicus, which means God's day. Alright guys, now let's use the days within context, okay? And the first thing that I should mention here is that do not translate the word on to say that you do something on a given day, okay? So the on that you use in English, like I work on Tuesday, meaning this Tuesday, right? So in French you will simply go with je travaille mardi. So there's nothing in front of the day, all right? However, use le in front of the days to say that you regularly, usually do something on a given day. Je travaille le lundi et le mercredi. Okay, which means I work on Mondays and Wednesdays. It means every week, right? So let's compare these two examples that we have already here. Je travaille mardi. It means that I work on Tuesday, this Tuesday, all right? But if you say je travaille le mardi, is that every Tuesday, every week, you work, okay? Another remark, please note that in French, you need to repeat the definite article le in front of each day, all right? Like I said before, je travaille le lundi et le mardi. So you need to repeat le for each day, okay? Please also note that days of the week are not capitalized in French, unlike in English, okay? So you shouldn't use capital letters for days in French. Use the structure du, au to say from what day to what day you do something every week. For example, j'étudie du lundi au jeudi. That can be translated into I study from Monday to Thursday. Okay? You can also use tous les jours to say that you do something every day. J'étudie tous les jours. I study every day. Here are some keywords and expressions to talk about moments of the days. Okay, let's cover them together. Le matin. That's for in the morning, or in the mornings, or just mornings. L'après-midi. In the afternoon. In the afternoons. Afternoons. Le soir. Le weekend. And you see that in front of all of these, you need to use le. Okay, let's repeat them again. Le matin, l'après-midi, le soir, le weekend. And please note that weekend is in 2 words in French, okay, with the hyphen in the middle. Yeah, we like to make things complicated. Okay, let's cover 3 more, okay. So in just 1 word for these. Sauf, that's for except. Let's repeat it. Sauf. That's right. Avant. Avant, that's correct. That's for before. Après. That's right. That's for after or afterwards. So, sauf, avant, après. So here are some examples of these key expressions in context. Okay? For example, le matin, je suis chez moi avant le travail. L'après-midi, je ne suis pas chez moi, je suis en cours et après, je vais à la gym. Le soir, après le travail, je rentre à la maison. Le week-end, je ne travaille pas, je fais du sport. J'étudie tous les jours, sauf le mercredi après-midi et le jeudi matin. So please note the structure of the negation in French, okay? Positif, je suis. Négatif, je ne suis pas. Je travaille, je ne travaille pas. So 2 words are used to negate a verb. Ne, pas. Ne is placed before the verb and pas after it. To say goodbye to someone and say that you will see that person again on a specific day, you can use à plus the day, okay? À plus jour. À lundi, see you on Monday. À mardi, à mercredi, à jeudi, à vendredi, à samedi, à dimanche. Alright guys, now that we have learned all the days of the week and some useful structures to use them in context, now let's do some fun activities to revise and practice. And for the first one, we're going to practice our vocabulary. So simply find out the right translation for these days in English. And maybe let me remind you of a very useful question, okay, to ask for something to be translated. Comment on dit? Comment on dit? Okay, let's do it. Comment on dit Sunday en français? Dimanche, that's right. Comment on dit Wednesday en français? Mercredi, that's correct. Comment on dit Thursday en français? Jeudi, très bien. Comment on dit Saturday en français? Samedi, parfait. Comment on dit Tuesday en français? Mardi, that's correct. Comment on dit Friday en français? Vendredi, yes. Comment on dit Monday en français? Lundi. That's great. For the second activity, please select the right option in brackets. The first sentence is aujourd'hui, c'est, you got 2 choices here. Et demain, c'est, again, 2 choices. So aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi. Et demain, c'est jeudi. That's right. Second sentence. Ce semestre, je suis en cours tous les jours. 2 options. Lundi, jeudi. Je ne suis pas en cours vendredi ou le vendredi. So, did you get it right? Let's check this out. Ce semestre, je suis en cours tous les jours du, remember to use du for the starting day, du lundi au, and au for the finishing day, au jeudi. Du lundi au jeudi. Je ne suis pas en cours, the negation, remember, je ne suis pas en cours le vendredi. Okay, so usually I'm not in class on Friday. All right. Number 3. Je suis à la gym matin ou le matin? le matin, that's correct. Je suis à la gym le matin. Numéro 4. Cette année, je travaille week-end ou le week-end? Cette année, ok, be careful, cette année, this year, ok, so it's going to be something regular, right? Cette année, je travaille le week-end, ok? Ce week-end, j'étudie lundi ou dimanche? What day is it on the weekend? Le week-end. Ce week-end, j'étudie dimanche, that's correct. Ok les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. That's all for that video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you have learned new valuable things on the days of the week. If you wish to support my channel, please give that video un pouce vers le haut, right? And please subscribe. This is very important for me to keep going and offering you new videos for your learning. I'll see you in the comment section if you want to interact with me or if you have any questions. Au revoir, à plus, ciao, salut!